Hey, Jasper here with Great Agent. As you may already know, about 80% of consumers really care about the reviews. And so to get the reviews on your Great Agent website is fairly easy. It's basically done under settings where you'll move in basically verified reviews of real buyers and sellers that you have had. Once they've completed their move, you can basically put them in and add them into the backend. Um, when you have permission to use somebody's image, then basically it would be recommended to either take a picture of their property and load it in so that the consumer, about 80% of consumers tend to be shopping real estate uh, and selecting the agent based on other people's experience. So it's a really great idea to have these reviews showing up, of course, on your profile, as well as when people are searching properties for sale. A lot of consumers are looking at these reviews and reading them. So anyway, in this video, I want to show how do we get them in there. It's fairly easy. You basically log into your Great Agent backend. You go to the reviews, and then you'll see like an add review section. In there you can take reviews from Zillow, for example, or from your Google review. In this case, I have a Google review, just as an example here. And I can basically put that in and then put in the star rating that that person left, right? So 5 stars in this case. We can put in, who left it, and maybe like a homeowner or homeowner, something like that. And then if you have a picture of their property or a picture of the person who left the review, then that's a great thing to basically get in here. So let's just upload a picture of myself just as an example. And so now I see the review here. If I made a typo or something, I can obviously remove it, add it by default. The ones with a video, if I have somebody that left a YouTube video here, then I can basically have it uploaded and that would be shown first. So if I find like these reviews, for example, Karis Clark here, it looks like this one is from Zillow. So I would see if I could find a photo of her and then basically reach out and ask for permission, just because there's so many fake reviews on some of the websites out there like Amazon, etc. So having the picture of the customer, if you have them, maybe you're friends with them on Facebook or something like that, that would make it even better, especially if they're somebody that you know on maybe on a personal level, if they would mind or wouldn't mind that we basically put their picture on the website. Then I would basically look that in as part of the review. Again, if they have a little video, if they can shoot a short little video, then you can basically put that video review in from YouTube. So basically, you would upload that video of the customer leaving a review. So for example, let's say this was the review here that the customer left. Then you would basically add that review. And then instead of uploading the picture, you would just simply put that link to the YouTube video. And that's going to play directly on the website here. So again, a lot of consumers are actually watching those videos, and about 80% of consumers select the agents based on others people experience with that agent or that real estate professional, that realtor. So that's really, really important to do. Test of a review with a video, and then basically the name, right? So Jasper Jewel, and then for example, like bought a home in 2000 and whenever, right? 13. I think it was 2012, but whatever. Let's say it was 2013. So then basically now that will always be shown as one of the first ones because it has a video on it. So we find that the consumers prefer those with videos on it. So we definitely want to make sure that those are shown up first as it is here. So then that way it's played directly on your website, and the consumer can see it directly here. So anyway, that's the new feature here from GradeAgent, how to add reviews, have them show up when the consumer's searching for properties. They're maybe considering asking you a question, and that's one of the primary things that people really care about is what other people's experiences have been working with you, and making them further legitimate by having a little video, maybe shot from their iPhone or from a camera, if not a picture, because again, 80% of consumers are making their decision about which real estate professional to use based on the reviews that people have left. So they really read those reviews, and you basically take the ones that seems most impressive from the Zillow, Facebook, Google of the world, and then aggregate them all in through the GradeAgent backend. If you do a test review like this one, you can simply remove it, and then it's obviously going to be removed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have ideas to other cool features, please let us know.